In Schneider Electric, digital has been part of our DNA for a very long time now. And our belief in Schneider Electric is that the sooner companies adapt the AI technologies and the data analytics tool sets into their day-to-day business, the more efficient they will become in how they approach their processes and their day-to-day operations.
We're in a very, very interesting time where we see all these technologies coming in from adjacent industries that are in the process of or will severely disrupt the industrial automation space. So what do we bring to the equation? If you look at the process automation line of business, what we've been doing is solving the OT problems and removing the complexity of IT for our customers.
Autonomous Production Advisor is a product of ideas and customer collaboration in Schneider Electric. It's able to take feedback from the end user, and the data analytics and the AI adapt to how the customers use the system on a day-to-day basis. We run machine learning solutions directly on the edge. The edge analytics part of the solution helps the customers take the solution from big data centers close to their assets. It's an open system. Customers can add their own solutions to it, and they can also basically rely on our marketplace where we can share various applications that they can deploy for their particular business need.
We also want to make sure that these solutions are very easy to deploy and commission. So we want to make sure that it's really literally a plug and play approach, zero engineering. No one's going to rip and replace. That's not a viable solution for anybody. We need to make sure we bring the existing installations with us into the future, and that's what we're best positioned to do.